Are you looking for an all-in plug-and-play solution for your UTV? Cerwin Vega's got it. Stay tuned for more. Hi, John Catalano from Cerwin Vega. When it comes to power sports installation kits, we've got you covered with vehicle-specific applications. We're talking Can-Am, Ranger, Razor, you name it. We've got the major platforms covered. And the beauty of these kits is it's mostly plug and play, right? We know that the space is tight in these vehicles. We want to maximize the efficiency and the installation ease by making these plates fit directly in. The speakers are pre-installed. We have subwoofers that mount in enclosures, also pre-installed, amplifier brackets. All of these things are pre-done to make the installation go as smoothly as possible, and you get the best possible sound with as little effort as possible. John again from Cerwin Vega. I'd like to thank you for listening to my presentation on Powersports kits. I invite you to visit our website, cerwinvega.com, or check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and get more information on the vehicle-specific kits that we have so you can get your UTV to sound as great as it possibly can, utilizing our very easy-to-install Powersports kits.